Chirom Jadumani, who had been serving as senior news anchor at Sktv since its establishment on February 15, 2024, passed away, marking the end of an inspiring journey in the field of media service for the people of Manipur. He passed away on the morning of October 27th, that's today, at ILDS Hospital in Kwakethel after a prolonged illness. Late Jadumani began his career as news anchor at ISTV and served for 2 years at ISCOM. He later joined Sktv News as senior news anchor since the beginning of its establishment, continuing in the role until his passing on October 27, 2025 today. His professional excellence and humble personality earned him wide respect among colleagues and viewers alike. Jadumani, aged 50, is survived by his wife and a 12-year-old daughter. He was the son of Chirom Nabadip and Chirom Kulabati of Lamdeng Khunau near Lamsang Bazar. Known for his clear intellect, sincerity and dedication, Jadumani was admired for his friendly nature and strong sense of responsibility towards his profession. In loving memory of Chirom Jadumani Singh, a condolence meeting was held today at Sktv office located at Sangai Pro Mamanglekai. The entire staff and colleagues gathered to pay their heartfelt tributes to the departed soul. The meeting began with a solemn atmosphere as everyone observed a 2-minute silence to honor his memory and contributions to the field of journalism. Sktv staff deeply mourned loss and remembered him as a devoted journalist and kind-hearted colleague whose absence will be felt across the organization. Sktv also shared the sorrows of Jadumani's family and stand with them in their mourning.
Kurumjari Sktv gi pau bu yang bir punamapu mayam punamapu taram okchari. Sktv News bumi yang taduna lebiu loslaputamukan mayam kurumjari.